Rainbow monsoons in China. It's called Zhangye National Geopark, China. Zhangye National Geopark is located in northern China, approximately halfway along the Mongolian border. It is located in the Qilian Mountains foothills. The national park is 124 square miles in size. The national park, formerly known as Zhangye Danxia Geopark, is renowned for the spectacular display of colors that spans hills and rock formations. The Chinese media dubbed the region one of the most incredible landscapes in the country. Linze Danxia Scenic Area is the park's most visited and developed area. Binggou is the name of a second area on the Liyuan River. Although it is less visited, it provides additional views of incredible landscapes. Sunan Danxia Scenic Area is a third area. The rock formations and rolling hills have an almost painted appearance. The landscapes are fantastic. Zhangye National Geopark is, without a doubt, the world's most colorful national park. The vibrant landscapes were formed over time as sandstone and minerals were layered atop one another, resulting in angled painted layers across the rock formations and sandstone rolling hills.